for the Cosmology segment. Twitch.tv/smAsho is the URL. It's a fantastic mobile live streaming platform, rather. Again, thanks to our followers over there. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram. Still not even at 500 followers over on Instagram, despite having over 3,000 posts. You may not see yesterday's bike ride if you don't head to instagram.com/smAshomash. And thanks to our subscribers over on YouTube. If you're viewing YouTube, don't forget to press like and subscribe. Thanks for your continued support. Leave us a comment. Press the share button. Share the content on your social media. Today's Cosmology segment will be fairly short. Today's astronomy photo of the day is from Apollo 11 by Michael Collins, who was the only person not in front of the camera on this image as the lunar module returned to the lunar orbiter and command module. So you've got most of the people on the planet were there. There was one here and one in the lunar module. Every person but one was in front of the camera. This image from July 21st, 1969, as the lunar module reunites with the lunar orbiter and command module. Let's talk about Abell 3827, a massive galactic cluster, an X-ray source and source of gravitational lensing, featuring hundreds of galaxies, all clustered together. And here's an article about it on SciTechDaily.com. Hubble using two different cameras to take some close-up imagery of Abell 3827. I'll let the article scroll in case you'd like to read. Again, that is on SciTech Daily. And I would note, galaxies were not always believed in. So the possibility of other galaxies had been debated previously, but the matter was not truly settled until Edwin Hubble confirmed that the Great Andromeda Nebula was in fact far too distant to be part of the Milky Way, and the Great Andromeda Nebula became the Andromeda Galaxy, as astronomers recognized that our universe was much, much bigger than humanity had imagined. We can only imagine how Edwin Hubble, after whom the Hubble Space Telescope was named, would have felt if he would have seen this spectacular image of Abell 3827. If you want to look at Abell 3827 some more, head to Aladdin Light, type in Abell 3827. There it is in X-ray, and you can see it's a very bright X-ray region there, located quite distant. That is the X-ray imagery from the Chandra, and I would note how differently it looks in blue light. And here is this gravitational lens feature, or I'll just say lens feature, of Abell 3827, which brings us to another point. Is there anything beyond the universe? Well, in short, the answer is that it's complicated, folks. It's complicated. So if you think of the universe as a ball inside of something else, what is that? Is it inside of, is it a bubble? Is it a series of soap bubbles inside of other soap bubbles? Or is it perhaps just an infinite space, in which case the universe is not contained by anything? It's a bit of a tough one to wrap your head around. So here's an article on space.com about this. Allow me to get off screen and let the article scroll. And so the first thing you have to ask yourself is what's outside the universe is, what do we mean by universe? Does it mean literally all things that exist and could possibly exist in all space and time, in which case there could be nothing outside the universe? Or is it perhaps a universe within universes within universes? Ultimately, the answer we don't know. The current width of the observable universe is about 90 billion light years. And what's outside of that? Is it just more of an expanse of more stars and galaxies? Well, the answer is we don't know. We can only see so far. And is it flat? Is it curved? Perhaps read the article on space.com about what's outside the universe. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. And that's today's Cosmology segment. We'll say goodbye to Twitch, and we'll bring you back for the meteorology segment.